ladies and gentlemen, please join us in welcoming the host church, Women's Society, as they present the Liang Mai traditional attire. The celebration begins! Today, we begin this special event by honoring the rich heritage and vibrant culture of Liang Mai community, focusing on the Liang Mai Pui attire. The Liang Mai people are known for their deep connection to tradition, their harmony with nature, and their beautifully woven stories passed down through generations. One of the most expressive symbols of our heritage is the traditional Liang Mai attire. The Diu rainbow, the Diu Dago, Hadij Ribo. Each pattern, each trait, and each color reflects the history, beliefs, and beauty of Liang Mai people, and the cultural pride carried forward by our women today. Now, we will be presenting the traditional Liang Mai attire one after. Each piece carries its own meaning, stories, and cultural significance. This beautiful garment is known for its clean, graceful. Reflects the elegance of Liang Mai womanhood and the cultural pride. Our next presentation is the traditional Langjin Nina or Kaula Nina. This attire is admired for its refined marriage. Langjin Nina reflects the grace. Liang Nina, or the other name Hadij Nina, one of the distinguished traditional attire of the Liang Mai community. Please welcome our model wearing the traditional Liang Nina. This attire is recognized for its bold patterns and meaningful desire, symbolizing cultural identity and pride. In our olden days, our cultural set and added cultural value to the attire. Orphans with the Liang Mai community. This garment carries deep cultural meaning. It's deep and quiet strain of those who wear it. This attire carries deep emotional and cultural significance, respect, and the community's way of honoring the departed. Sainina reminds us of we present Penina. Next, we present Tainia Nina. Next, we present Quadrennial Nina or Majing Nina. Next, we present Mania Nina. With this, we come to the end of our Liang Mai traditional. Countless wisdoms and blessings has been told towards Liang Mai people. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the programs. New Saudi Arabia.
valleys like living prayers. In every forest path, every field, every mist that crowns our hills, the Maker is near, and His work is wonderful. There were days for our foreparents that felt like Eden's own morning, when innocence was our only clothing, and the world beheld no harm, no dark memory. Beauty lived in every hill and river, and the people walked with hearts unburdened, knowing neither deceit nor fear, only the simplicity that God wove into creation. In those early days, life was as clean as the first light of dawn. No sin, no shadow, just the gentle goodness our ancestors breathed like the pure air of the mountains. Carried no weight, only the purity of simple, childlike joy. God gave us songs to sing, dances to dance, and a language to speak. Our dance steps borrowed from nature's own teachers, the birds that leap, the insects that sway. Our songs rise from the sounds of the forest, shaped by wind, water, and the living choir of creation. Praise be to the Creator. The colors we wear, first painted in the gardens of God's own creation. Flowers, leaves, earth, and sky. In today's world, life moved gently around the country and Luchiki for women. Among all the beautiful damsels of the village, Maria Lu carried a quiet beauty that needed no words, a grace that everyone admired the moment anyone saw her. Her smile was like soft morning light on the hills, warming every heart around her. It wasn't just her face, but her kindness, humility, and gentle spirit that made people say, wow, truly, she's beautiful. As God intended, relationships for pure delight. In God's own beautiful time, we fell deeply in love without no reality. We wandered through the meadows, laughing like two bright mornings meeting. Her footsteps brushed the soft grass. His hands caught the wild flowers she tossed in the air. By the quiet river they ran, splashing light like children born of sunshine. No shame, no fear, only the joy that God Himself planted in their innocent hearts. They plucked flowers not to keep, but to celebrate the colors of creation. And in those tender moments, they shared smiles, soft words, and simple meanings. Their closeness was pure, a gift held gently under God's open sky. But then, evil as we are, we forget the Creator. So they say nothing lasts forever, and that good things, it seems, do not stay for long due to our restless desires. Into the quiet garden of God's plan, evil intentions slip in like hidden thorns. Hearts once simple grow restless. Jealousy rises. Land becomes a reason for hatred. Identity turns into a weapon. And the desire for name, fame, and greed pulls people away from the beauty they once knew.
Why God? Why me?
Maria Liu, oh Maria Liu,
Who calls me?
why do you weep among the ashes of men's anger? Why do you hide your face in shame when I have made you in my image?
Lord, they hate me. They say I'm the reason for all troubles. I wanted peace, but I become the one. Women don't have a place in the society ruled by men.
You were not sent to please men, but to bear my light among them. I am your God, who created you and heals you. Stand up, reclaim your honor, my child.
Thank you, Lord, for turning my tears into rivers of grace and my sorrow into dancing.
And thus brokenness became a river, flowing into blessings for all. Even in our deepest brokenness, God's grace can make us whole. And through that wholeness, others find life. Thank you all.